Hello viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today we are going to give you the free tutorial on how to download Facebook videos. But please bet on where you are watching us from. If you are watching us from YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. You will like our video. You will comment so that you will get the feedback of this video, and make sure you do what? You also send this video to your loved ones so that they will be able to download videos from Facebook, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you not miss any of our videos, and you will be the first person to receive our videos whenever we post them. So before we continue, let's look for what our Facebook app. So we are going to open our Facebook app. We are going to open our Facebook app. Then we go to the video section. We go to the video section. Sorry, there's a car coming. Let's take it. Okay. You go to the video section. You move to the video section, and you will see a lot of videos. A lot of videos there. There are a lot of videos. A lot of videos. So let's say we are going to download the first video. So we click on what? On the share arrow. On the share arrow, you click on the share arrow. So when you click on the share arrow, you see what? A lot of options coming. You see feed, your FB story, your friends timeline, your message, your copy link, WhatsApp groups, more options. Then we click on what? Copy link. So after copying the link, we'll go back. You go back and open our Google Chrome. So when you open your Google, you tap on the search or type web address. Then you click on it. Then you do what? You search for what? Snapsave. Snapsave. Okay. After you have typed in Snapsave, then you click on search. After clicking on search, you see there are options here. Download Facebook Reels, Instagram downloader, Facebook private video, and so on. But we are going to click on the first option, which is called snapsave.app. You click on it, and you go to include. After loading, you see what? Paste video URL. So we are going to paste the video URL there. We are going to paste it there. You paste it there. Then you click on download. You see it's loading. You go to it download. So you see they bring the video Facebook, so it has not direct us to our Facebook video. So you click on where the download is depending on the video quality you want. But for me, I want the 360p, so I'll click on download. So you have to cancel the AD. So you can see our video is what? Our video is downloading. It's downloading. It's downloading. Okay. Please make sure you have liked our video. You also comment for us to get the feedback of the video, and you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the video has completed. So you click on where the three dots are, you click on it and you see what download. Then you click on downloads. Then you see where the video has been saved. Then you click on it. You see the video.
So we know there's a church that worships Beyonce, but stay with me because I'm about to go somewhere real deep and I want you guys to see this. Beyonce is the same person.
Thank you for joining us to watch this tutorial. Please make sure you have liked the video. You have also give us comment for us to get the feedback of the video. You have also subscribed to the channel. Please, we are bringing a lot of more exciting videos. So if you want to get our videos, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you not miss any of our videos.